European banking major HSBC, we hear, plans to cut a large number of jobs here in India. In fact, it could well be the biggest retrenchment exercise that's been undertaken by a foreign bank here in the country. HSBC CEO member Stuart Gulliver had announced way back in August this year that the bank could lay off about 30,000 staff over the next 2 years, but promised that developing markets would be impacted only marginally. Well, looks like things could turn out to be a little different. Mohit Bhalla is joining us from our Mumbai newsroom with exclusive details on this particular story. Tell us, Mohit, how many employees are expected to get the boot?
Tanya, at this stage, of course, I'd like to qualify that what we're picking up from highly placed sources at the bank is that there is a planned retrenchment exercise that is underway at this point in time. In fact, as we speak, we understand that a team within the Human Resources Department is actually putting in place a plan and figuring out which are really the roles that are dispensable within the consumer banking division itself. That's where most of this retrenchment is likely to happen, and the plan is to cut about 1,200 jobs in India in the consumer banking division itself. So clearly, that could impact a number of people. It could lead to a number of layoffs, though obviously the objective will be to ensure that even post jobs getting cut out, they can look at ways of redeploying certain numbers of people in different business verticals, for example, insurance. But clearly this will lead to a large number of layoffs. That's pretty clear because the plan in place is pretty large. We're talking of a fairly solid, a very big number of 1,200 people here.
All right. So, Mohit, how soon before this could really happen? Is there any sort of a, deadline that's been set?
What we're picking up right now is that this is probably something that's going to be executed in a phased manner. It's not going to happen in one go. It could take some time, and happen in tranches, in the sense that they're obviously looking at identifying roles which they feel are dispensable and actually going ahead and cutting jobs on the basis of that. This could of course affect a variety of functions: customer service, for example, back office, technology support, and even some of the other support functions like compliance and HR. But we'll have to see how it takes place. It's obviously going to happen in a phased manner. It's not going to be something that will happen in one shot.
Right. And also, is this just a sort of ripple effect of the global strategy? Because like we were talking earlier, we've heard the HSBC boss say before that as many as 30,000 folks from around the world could be laid off. So is this perhaps part of that, or does it have anything to do with India specifically?
Clearly, this is clearly definitely in line with the global announcement that Stuart Gulliver made in August this year. HSBC is looking at cutting 30,000 jobs globally in the next 2 years by FY13, and obviously India will face the heat, and that's why this decision is probably in line with the global strategy. But having said that, I'd also like to say that that HSBC within India has also called into services of BCG, Boston Consulting Group, who's actually advising them on this retrenchment exercise. They're actually putting in place a plan to ensure that they can come up with a new organization structure for the consumer banking division, which makes it more cost efficient and more lean. So clearly, the objective is to build in cost efficiencies here. They have been suffering a very high cost operating model in the consumer banking division, and obviously the objective will be to ensure that they can cut costs there as well.